Ito lang ako. Sa Indiano, no? Music Southeast Asia. This one's for you, Peter. Kaya kacamata lang. Our office is more than just an office. It is also a laboratory where new ideas and innovation were created. It is also a playground where everyone enjoys the work and have fun. It is also a classroom where all of us could learn from each other. Our office is more than just a workplace. It is a place to connect with colleagues that turn into best friends and family. It is a place where we share tears and laughter. Our office is more than just an office. It's a place where success is celebrated and failure is considered as lesson learned. To create such an office, there must be a leader who considers his subordinates as colleagues, a leader that mingle, sing, and dance with us, a leader that always spread optimism and hope, even in the least favorable situation. Pak Peter, it's been an exciting 8 years with you. Thank you for the hugs and encouragement. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for letting us grow and develop. Thank you for turning our office into our home.